In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Squarespace. If you want to give your website text a more modern, eye-catching look, adding a gradient effect is a simple way to do it. In Squarespace, this is typically done by adding a small bit of custom CSS, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting so you can apply the effects smoothly. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and go to the main menu. From there, click on Website. This is where you'll access the core areas of your site, including the page structure and design-related settings. If you're new to Squarespace, don't worry, everything we need is built right into the site editor. Next, click on Pages. This section shows all of the pages that make up your website, but it also gives you access to additional site controls depending on your setup. We're using this as the path toward the custom styling area where you can add CSS to change the appearance of elements like text. Once you're in that area, click on Custom Code. This is the part of Squarespace that lets you add code-based enhancements beyond the default design controls. It's especially useful when you want a style effect that isn't available as a built-in toggle or preset option. After that, click on Custom CSS. This is where you can paste styling rules that affect the visual design of your site. Custom CSS is powerful because it allows you to create more unique branding and design details, including great gradient text effects. Now, paste the code into the custom CSS editor. This is the step that actually creates the gradient text styling. Make sure you paste it carefully and exactly as intended, since even small formatting mistakes in CSS can prevent it from working properly. Once the code is in place, Squarespace usually previews the styling changes right away, so you can immediately see whether the effect has been applied. If the gradient doesn't appear at first, double check that the code was pasted into the correct CSS area and that there aren't any accidental extra spaces or missing characters. It's also a good idea to save your changes if prompted, then refresh the page to confirm everything is displaying correctly. And that's it. You've now added gradient text in Squarespace using custom CSS. It's a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in giving your site a more polished and professional visual style.